Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate to Robinhood Markets with Authenticator app. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your Robinhood app on your device. If you haven't done so already, create an account or log in with your existing credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings. Locate the security settings section. Look for the option labeled two-factor authentication or 2FA. Tap on that option to begin the setup process. Choose to use an Authenticator app for added security. You will see a QR code displayed on the screen. Now, open your chosen Authenticator app. If you don't have one, you can download apps like Google Authenticator or Authy from your App Store. In the Authenticator app, select the option to add a new account. Use your device's camera to scan the QR code displayed in Robinhood. Once scanned, the app will generate a unique 6-digit code. Return to the Robinhood app. Enter the 6-digit code from your Authenticator app into the provided field. Confirm the code by tapping the Verify button. If everything is correct, you will see a confirmation message. Your two-factor authentication is now successfully set up. Remember to keep your Authenticator app accessible for future logins. You are now fully secured with enhanced protection on your Robinhood account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.